Another hair video today. Today I'm doing a crochet install and I'm using my X-Pression Ocean Wave pre-looped hair, and it looks like this, and it's in the color 1B30. So the length is 14 inches. I typically stay within 14-16 inches. When it comes to like braids, I tend to go a little bit longer, but when it comes to like just full, you know, kind of curls, I kind of stick with 14-16. But yeah, I'm so excited to install this hair. So this is one pre-loop. Personally, I love pre-looped hair because you don't have to try to separate the hair. It's already it already comes in a strand, and so it's easy to install, honestly. So if you're looking for a fast crochet install that's less than an hour, this is something that you want to look for. This is typically the pattern that I usually go for. I used to go across in the back, but now I've been just going down because it's easier that way and it's less bulkiness in the back. Yeah, so I can easily get to my scalp, do my oiling. I'm ready to install this hair, so let's get started. She's back. I I am back with a new look now. As you saw me before, I was looking crazy. Your girl's looking fabulous now. I have finished my install. I am so excited about how it came out. I did, as you saw from the braiding pattern, I left a lot of small parts open so that I can flip it over on one side into the other, because I like doing side part, middle part. I have this little part, I have this little part. I can flip it over all the way on this side. I'm really loving the look. I love the mixture of color, especially since summer is coming. Your girl, she loving the mix. And it just gives me a different look. It brings out, you know, my features a little bit more. And I'm also in the process of growing my hair out, my natural hair out again, to mid-back length. So I plan on, you know, just keeping protective styles like this for the summer, spring, summer. So this install was so fast. This only took 40 minutes to install. Like I said, under an hour, which I absolutely love about the pre-loop crochet hair. And again, this is X-Pression Ocean Wave. The only thing that took a little bit longer was just getting the front portion. Did have to separate some pieces. So I separated into 3 and 4 pieces. And so I had to go in individually and make sure those parts were filled in. I typically leave this hair in for 4 weeks. Another thing about this hair, it doesn't frizz up really fast. So for anyone interested in purchasing this hair, I will leave the link down below in my description. And I purchased it on Sam's Beauty, so be sure to click that link down below to purchase yours. It's luxe, it's full, it's gorgeous, it's so me. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. And I just want to thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.